Welcome back to Three Angels in Time Ministry. I want to begin by saying thank you to each of you who have been journeying with us so far. Together, we have walked through steps to Christ, discovering the beauty of salvation and what it means to draw near to Jesus. We've also been blessed by the ongoing readings from To Be Like Jesus, where each day we are reminded to reflect His character in our everyday lives. Now, I'm so excited to begin a new journey with you through another deeply moving book, The Ministry of Healing. This book speaks to our heart of who God is, not just as our Redeemer, but as our healer. In a world filled with stress, brokenness, and pain, the ministry of healing invites us back to God's original design, a life of peace, balance, and wholeness in Him. So, whether you're facing challenges in your health, emotions, relationships, or your faith, this book brings together biblical truth and practical guidance to show us the way to restoration, not just for ourselves, but for those around us. Some chapters are deep and rich, so we will take our time reading smaller portions so these beautiful truths can sink into our hearts. Again, I'm honored to walk through this with you, and may these readings bring comfort, healing, and renewed hope as we draw closer to Christ, the great physician.